welcome to Bena beach. So we are headed to the beach and it's sunset time, so this is the perfect opportunity to fly the drone here to get some beautiful shots. So this is the DJI Neo 2 and I'm gonna fly from here to get the beach view, and the takeoff will be from here. It's the golden hour, we should not miss this moment, and I'm gonna make the most of it.
Take off. Home point of
Woke up late, missed the morning glaze, but the sunlight hits in so many ways. Grabbed my shades and hit the streets, no plan, chasing vibes like seashells in the sand. Radio hums a tune I can't name. Crooked smiles, crashing waves, no shame. Flip my phone, toss it in my bag. Today's for us, no time to lag. Feel the world just turning slow. Let the breeze tell us where to go. Every step a beat we can make. Life's a tune, sing it till we break. Concrete warm under my bare feet. Crowds moving like a heart